Go get your degree and get a job steady. And go get married full and send your kids to school like everybody. Why not do your best? Build yourself a nest. If only you would this and if only you would that, you would live a life of peace and rest. Don't you see I tried to be like everyone? I did it well and suddenly my joy was gone. Another droplet in the ocean at the dawn. Before I knew my life fell to be done. And worst of all, I lost the very charm I had, the very charm that made everyone know so glad. I found myself and all around me oh so sad, and yet I know there's something I can add. So I know that I must be unlike everybody. I will seek to thrive every moment I'm alive. That will be the greatest gift to me. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la.